P5.2, cables and plugs. So the thing you need to know is that going into your house, you've got something called a live wire, okay? And I'll show you where that is in the plug, okay? So when you take apart a plug, you'll notice that the live wire and you've got a neutral wire and you've got an earth wire. They're the three wires. Okay. Now you've got to remember which one's of which. Okay. And I always remember it as the live one is brown, because that's the colour your trousers will turn if you touch it. The neutral wire is blue, and the earth wire is yellow and green. Okay, and that's the earth wire. Earth wire, yellow and green. Now, whereabouts are they in the plug? And the way that I remember that is that the brown wire is on the right and the blue wire is on the left. So, brown wire on the right, blue wire on the left, which means that the yellow and green wires are straight down the middle. Now there's another clue as to which one is the live wire, and that clue is the fuse. And the fuse is on the live wire. Okay? So they're my three cables, brown on the left, earth in the middle, brown on the right, earth in the middle, blue on the left. Okay, so what is the live wire? Okay, so the live wire is the wire that is coming from the power station. That's on with the heart. So this one will have a potential difference of 230 volts on average, or maximum 325. Okay, and this one, the neutral wire, this one has got a voltage of 0 volts. Okay, so the potential difference, if you got these two wires near each other, okay, they would spark, because what you'd find is that this one would have 230 volts, this one would have 0 volts, so the potential difference between these 2 points would be really high. So if you do touch them, you get a big spark, and that's called a short circuit, which is a huge amount of current all going through at once, and it will blow the fuse. Okay, this one has got the 0 volts because it is earthed at the substation. Now, if you touch this one, you are earthed, you have 0 volts, so the potential difference between you and this one is 325 as a maximum. Okay, so that's why you don't want to touch it. It's also why this earth cable is here, because that earth cable provides an easier route to the ground than you, and more of the electrons will choose to go through this one than they will to go through you. That's what it's there for. The fuse is there so that if the current is too high, the fuse will melt, and we'll do some calculations once we know how to calculate power on fuses. The other bit that we need to know about plugs is that the outsides are made of plastic because they're an insulator, and the insides are made of metal because they're a conductor. Okay. Wire on the inside because that's a conductor, plastic on the outside because that's an insulator. That's all we need to know about plugs.